That would make for a terrible shot.
It would. All right, sir. So I'm going to get to about 60%.
Okay.
Then I'm going to have you start pulling. Good. Get that.
That was so cool.
Good. Get that? Well, good. Well done, D. Thanks for your camera work.
Yeah, it's fun.
Where?
Oh, that's...
Oh, this one. Yeah, look at that. It hung in there. Missed this branch.
Huh?
Missed this branch. I gotta see if... Did you see if this branch hit the house any?
I don't think so.
Yeah, we can review. Cool.